Well guys, we're back in Los Angeles, and while I was overseas in Monaco, make sure to check out the Top Marks 2018 Madness. A lot of cop action. Upper right hand corner, there's a playlist. But this beauty came in, the 118, of course. Pagani Zonda 760 RS by Pico. Full bare carbon fiber, looking mighty fine. Now, some people might not like this segment of the video where I talk about model cars, but I try to make it brief, So anyways, I don't really give a gee whiz what the haters say. Now, before we start today's festivities, we got a beautiful present from my friend Hamid, who works at the Land Rover and Jaguar location in Beverly Hills off Sunset Boulevard. Good friend of mine. By the way, there's a cover for the car cover. So think about that. Anyways, we got to put this on because my car is parked outside in the elements with this dirty, dusty Los Angeles air. So many thanks to him for hooking it up. Make sure to check him out on Instagram. Here we go. We have parked the F-Type outside because there's no garage parking at my place. Cold startup. Just hit 10,000 miles, by the way. Review coming soon, I do promise that. Dude, every time I put this car in reverse and look at the image quality, it's so damn bad. It looks like it's from like 1999. Ugh. We're back in Beverly Hills with Soltani's Chiron. No US bumpers. Well done, sir. Well done. It looks like the press spec here, but looking amazing. What a good leap to return to Los Angeles, baby. There it is, shining in the sun. The 10 out of 10 leap here. Whoa. That's a SLR and a Maserati. Fuckboying around. Just on our way to grab a quick bite at Mulberry. We got the Vanquish Volante. Looks brand new. And we got this Porsche GT3 RS. Look at the livery. Very quiet. No plates, nothing. What a combo. Oh, we got the yellow squad here. We got the yellow Camaro front plate poverty spec. I'm pretty sure it's a rental. And of course, we got Bijan's Rolls Royce. And we got this idiot just blocking traffic. God damn it, man. Come on, guys. All right, we're in quite the precarious situation. We got a brand new Chiron right over there. Whoa. That is a surprise lead, but we got the BHPD right there. And I gotta make this left. And this guy's going straight. Oh my God. No. I'm gonna get the green arrow light. I'm gonna get screwed. Dude, hold on. Let me just zoom in on that. That's like red carbon right there. That's baller. Brand new Chiron. That's 2 Chirons in one day, guys. There it is. Brand new. Holy smokes. Well played, Los Angeles. Well played. We're headed back towards Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. I have no idea where the Chiron went. Dude, we got a DeLorean. Looking pretty sharp. Not bad. Not bad indeed. That's right, guys. We're running a well-oiled machine here on this channel. And let's see what we got here at our favorite spot at Il Pastel. And I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. We got the 720S. Got the Ferrari, you got the Lambo, and the Porsche. All right. And by the way, if you guys are wondering, I lost my polarizer in Monaco, so you're gonna see a lot of that glare, a lot of crap. But hey, a new one's coming, guys. A new one is coming. All right, so we're currently near the Pagani dealership of Beverly Hills, but check this place out right here. Hold on. Get out of the car right here. I'm not gonna pay the meter because it's free on Sundays, I think. Check this out. What's going on over here? This place has exchanged ownership and hands quite a few times. We got the GI. Whoa. Look at the wheels. Oh my goodness. And then check out. 4Gs on a Ferrari F430. Interesting choice. Well, it looks like someone actually bought one of those competition edition M6s in Austin yellow. Check that out. Okay. Oh, little pull. Nice, nice. And of course, peep the sneaky BHPD 9020 right over there, hiding in the corner, making sure no one does a fuckboy pull here on Rodeo Drive. Now, I'm gonna have to say something. I'll take any American police. Well, almost any over the Monaco police. Those guys are not nice at all. Those guys are fucking mean. They don't give a damn about who they pull over, what they say or what they do. They have basically unlimited power. Maybe not unlimited power, but at the same time, you kind of have to understand from their viewpoint, when top marks happens, dude, the fuckboys just descend upon Monaco like fucking cockroaches. Got the GI Automotive Group and the GT3 RS and the Mac right there. Check out this Marge Simpson. What the? Is he filming us or something? Like a toy car. Hold on. Dude, this is the ultimate leap, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna jog over for this. I'm gonna jog over. Jog over. So we got dogs? No way. It's a pig.
Because when she goes to the airport and helps people with anxiety.
Oh my god.
We got Crucial Cali cars and the pig.
How old?
Oh my god.
He or she? How old is she?
She's 3 years and 4 months.
Dude, we got supercars. Whoa. Did you just see that guy take off? And we got a pig in a stroller right here.
No, I got her when she was a kid here. Big ambassador, is it?
No way, only in Beverly Hills, guys. Rodeo Drive leaps.
Two.
Yeah, look, he's got his own license plate and everything. Oh my, and we got a couple fuck boys. Oh. Fuck boys? Oh, dude. I feel like I'm in Monaco again. Except no one's gonna get impounded today. BHPD.
Oh my god.
Where are you guys at? Huge dog. Saint Bernard. Same two Camaros.
See the guy across the street.
No, what did the guy across the street do?
He just pointed on the...
Oh, really? He's like, oh, look at those fuck boys. I kid you not, this is the pig's Instagram page right here. Oh my goodness, the strange things that we see in this world, at least in Los Angeles and apparently in San Francisco. So, well, we got an Instagram famous pig running amok on Rodeo Drive, baby. All right, we got Marcus and the Sports Classic 997. For those who are wondering, wait, look at this. We got a brand new restaurant right over here. Avra? Looking pretty spanking new. Anyways, so this is how Arab O'Clock works, guys. So we're gonna drive past an espresso. It's like a coffee place right up there. So what happens is it's around 6:24 p.m. The espresso either closes relatively soon or is already closed. All the Arabs go there first. Trust me, they go to an espresso, then they do loops around, and then they eventually end up at Earth Cafe on Melrose. And we got another 4x4 just chilling right there. Anyways, cars are abound. They are plentiful here in Los Angeles. Got a yellow R8. Whoa. Like I said, we got some of the Arab cars just chilling here, and Espresso is right over there. Because we got fucking Captain Genius who's just blocking the other lane here. Thanks a lot, dude. You a freaking moron. And just like that, boys and girls, we have yet another 4x4 in the same color scheme. That must be the third one. Oh, here we go. Oh.
Sir, where's your U.S. registration?
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna get this, guys. BHPD, what happened? The Qatar F12. Jeez. Check it out. A second cop has joined the fray. Here he goes. Here we go. Yeah. Holy shit. You better watch out. There's cops right there. Better watch out. Dude, you better leave, dude. Oh. Whoa. Dude, no fucks, dude. Alright, so we have no idea why BHPD has pulled over that Qatari F12 over there. There seems to be backup, and we're not really sure. Yeah, he didn't do a pull or anything, no revving, maybe for the plates. I don't know. It doesn't look too good though. Usually, like by now, they're going to give this guy a warning. They would have let him off, but I don't know. We're going to see what happens.